How much a hair transplant will cost you? This is one question which cannot be answered in a sentence. It requires a lot of detailed discussion. I am Dr. Aanchal Shah, hair transplant surgeon, Ziva Clinic, Ahmedabad. We'll discuss the factors that determine the cost of hair transplantation. First, the most important factor, experience of your doctor really matters. Only an experienced surgeon can give you a natural looking hairline and can make sure grafts are implanted at correct angle, depth and direction. So like other surgeries, hair transplant is a daycare surgery, and yes, complications can occur. It is very important that you get your surgery done by an experienced doctor who can act accordingly in case of complications. Wise use of donor area is very important. The surgeon has to make sure the donor area is not over-harvested, or the instruments that they are used should not give you scarring. So the second very important factor is infrastructure. Hair transplant surgery should only be done at the setup where there is a fully equipped OT setup is available. Sterilization, well-equipped instruments, latest technology, single-use disposable instruments are very vital for successful hair transplant surgery. Also, the setup should have facility to take care of emergencies. Hair transplantation should not be performed at a OPD care center. Third important factor, nursing staff. Hair transplantation is a teamwork. Each and every person in the team has a dedicated role in hair transplantation. Every person in the team has an important role to play. This is important to avoid fatigue and human error. A good clinic will have a full-time, well-trained, senior experienced nursing assistants, because nursing assistants have a very important role to play during a hair transplant surgery, like separation of grafts, like loading of the grafts. You should not get a surgery done at a center. The freelancing technicians come and do your surgery and do not take responsibility of long-term results. One of the most common questions that I get in my clinic is how do we charge, or how the rate of hair transplant is calculated. So after doing a lot of research, what I realized is there are few centers they might charge you per graft, per hair, or area wise, or they might charge you unlimited grafts in one full day. Don't fall for false promises. There is no term like area wise or unlimited number of the grafts in one day. Ideal way to charge in a hair transplant surgery is you are charged per graft. What is a graft? Graft is a bundle of hair follicles. One graft can have 1 to 4 hair follicles. As per our research, the charges may vary city to city, doctor to doctor. The standard charges in India are varying from 30 rupees per graft up to 200 rupees per graft. Most of the cases, variation in between these charges are because of the experience of the surgeon, the technique they are using, the city they are located in, infrastructure and the facilities they are offering you. Our recommendations: do your market research very well. During the consultation, make sure that you ask who will be doing your surgery, who will perform your extraction, who will perform your implantation. Make sure that you ask about old references. In my belief, hair transplantation is investment of your time, money and efforts. A good hair transplant might not come cheap. It's very important that you do your research well. If you are opting for a clinic which is being led by a senior doctor who might be a dermatologist or a plastic surgeon, you might end up paying slightly higher price than the centers which are being owned by technicians. Any senior doctor who is performing a hair transplant will make sure that they guide you about hair loss, results to expect and other care needed to prevent future hair loss.